Today, there's a massive power outage in the city of Mumbai, and in fact, it's being reported that it's impacting the railway services, the suburbs not being spared either. Let's go across to Ajay Sharma for more on this. Ajay, what do you have for us? So far, we are, of course, seeing regular trading activity on the stock exchanges, but it has been confirmed by the power suppliers that there is a big problem.
This is something we've never seen, Nantara, before. At least in Mumbai, I've been living for 15 years now. I've never seen this kind of a massive power outage. So it's one of its kind, black swan event. Yes, we've also heard it from BST and that this is a great failure of sorts. Mumbai, all the way to Lonavala, there's a power cut. But from the market standpoint, there was initially a bit of a nervousness because, for traders were worried whether their trades are getting executed or what happens now. We spoke to both the exchanges and both NSE and BSE are, functioning normally. When I say functioning normally is that whatever trades are reaching them, the systems and servers of NSE and BSE are getting executed. Suppose you've just punched a trade on your system and there's a, suddenly the power goes off and your trade itself doesn't go in the system of the process, then your trade will not be executed. So the point which I need to highlight to all our viewers and traders who are able to watch us across the country that the NSE, the National Stock Exchange and the Bombay Stock Exchange trades are getting executed in a normal, function. The power outage, which large parts of Mumbai all the way to Lonavala are saying will not impact trading activity by and large for the country. There's only a regional issue, and there too, technically it's perfect. So it all depends on whether your trade has gone into the system because of when power went off in your area. So this is something. But yes, Nantara, at the same time, I spoke to a lot of, head offices of brokerages, the key ones which do bulk of the volumes. They are saying that because Bombay is such a large part of the overall volume, there is a sudden dip in volumes and people are just, trying to find out what has happened and all of that and not engaging in trading. So volume dip has definitely have happened. But this is a very important message to go out that NSE, BSE are functioning normally at their end.
Ajay, what kind of a volume dip are we talking about for the markets at the moment? And, that's also obviously an area of concern. And I know you've been making a lot of calls. Do we have any idea as yet whether it is from BST, the Tatas or the Adanis and when the grid will be back up?
This is a very important point you've raised, Nantara, because bulk of the brokerages top head offices actually are in Mumbai. And so it's early to put a number, but I won't be surprised if the volume dip is reasonably meaningful. Surely, now trading and investing is happening across the country. All of that is there, but the giants, portion trading volumes actually Bombay and Gujarat still kind of contribute to. And when large parts of South Bombay, we all know top brokers, all of them, Andheri onwards have their, offices and head offices and servers, etc. parked here. And these are coinciding with the region which are actually facing outages. So early to put a number, but almost all the top five, broker dealers I spoke to were saying that there is a sudden power outage and they are also on calls with their key clients, etc. The other point which needs to come out is that, BST has actually put out a tweet. And I must, caveat it that I'm just reading the tweet which they have put out. They are saying that the electricity supply interruption is due to Tata's electric, supply issue and an inconvenience regretted. We have not been able to officially get the Tata side of the story. What has happened? We are trying to get into just Tata Power, etc. They briefly spoke with us and still trying to get to the bottom of the situation. They have not offered any official comments so far, so I would not want to discuss that. But BST has tweeted that it's because of the Tata's, electric supply issues.